I am so bored. Everyone went on vacation and left me all alone in the backyard. They won't even let me in the house. They said, we're going on vacation. We're locking the house. Go outside. And then I went outside and they locked the house so I can't get in and I can't eat anything besides this grass. Oh, this grass tastes real bad. Oh, this is really sucky. I hate this. Ooh, it's a bird. I must catch that bird. Ooh, ooh. I can't believe it's a bird. It's a bird. It's a bird. It's a bird. Bird. Where are you, bird? Get out here, bird. 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 You are so dead, bird. You are so dead. Bird, you are so dead, bird. Come here, bird. Come here. Come here. Come here. Come here. I beat you up. Bird? Why aren't you moving, bird? Oh, bird. Please don't be dead. I'm gonna eat my stick. Bird, please don't be dead. Don't be dead. Oh, bird, I'm sorry. Just you hit me and I don't like that, so I hit you. And then, oh! That's weird. I'm just gonna go find a squirrel or something. Look, it's a squirrel. Oh, that's not a squirrel. That's just a water bottle. Silly me. I really want to find a squirrel, but I can't find a squirrel. Oh, I must see you. Oh. I don't ever want to eat a bird again. That was real weird. Real weird. I think there's a moral to this story. Look at my hair. Oh, yeah. The moral is, if you are locked outside because your friends are on vacation, don't eat a bird, or you'll think it'll be weird. Da, 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 da. Da, 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 da. Oh, 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 oh. I'm tired.